Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit an image on Canva. It is really simple. Let's start by clicking on the image, and right now we can go to edit photo over here in order to find a bunch of different options. Some of them are accessible by purchasing the Canva Pro membership, but some of them are not. For instance, filters. We can click on see all over here where we have filters in order to apply a filter like so. And of course we can adjust the intensity of a selected filter if we want to. And if you want to remove the filter, we can click on none. Furthermore, we also have some effects. So for instance, we can use a shadow, so like so. Of course, over here we have some sliders which allow us to adjust the shadow. And of course, if you want to delete it, then we can click on none like so. Sometimes you might need to select another one and then none again. What we have more, we also have Magic Studio, but this is more for I believe for premium users, for Canva Pro users. However, we can for instance remove the background like so. We also have a Magic Eraser, Magic Expand, and so on and so forth, so you can try to use them as well. We can also go to adjust. Here we can select the area. Let's skip whole image for this example, and here we can create some sort of our own filter. For instance, over here we have the white balance section where we can change the temperature of the colors as well as the tint like so. We also have some light adjustments, the contrast, highlights, and so on and so forth. Also shadows and many more. And over here we can also make colors more vibrant or less vibrant if needed. We also have some textures, of course, and texture settings over here if needed, which also can change things up on our picture. So go ahead and try them out, and if you want to reset everything, then at the bottom you have reset adjustments like so. Really easy. There we go. We also have auto adjust, which is pretty much some sort of AI that decides for you what the AI thinks is the best or what are the best settings to use. This might help you adjust the colors, etc. of your picture to, let's say, the background or the rest of the project. And over here we have crop. So this one is used in order to cut out an image or only keep part of the image. So for instance, if I want to keep only the person at the middle, I can use these corners over here in order to change things up. So let's say I'm gonna do it like this and then like so. And after that I can click outside the area, or I can click done over here in order to save it. And as you can see, only part of the image is saved. Now, while still having the picture selected, we can also of course resize it by using these corners over here or on the sides over here. So this also allows us to adjust the cutout area if needed. And if you want to quickly edit the part that is cut out, then you can double click the image and then you have an option to do some changes like so. Over here we can also rotate our picture. So if I press and hold my left mouse button, then I can start rotating our image. Over here we also have flip. So if we want to, we can flip our image like so. We also have borders. You can also try them out if needed. We also have a bunch of different animations. Depending on the type of project that you have, you might also need to use them. And over here we can also switch to page animations. So this one is related only to the selected picture or the selected element. And over here where we have page animations, then of course this applies to everything that we have on our page. So if we have more elements, let's say I'm gonna switch over here, then as you can see, it works in a different way. It's pretty cool. Okay, and furthermore, what do we have next? We have position, and here we can align, for instance, our picture to the center. So if we have over here align to page, we can click on center in order to make it in the center. And over here we also have middle, so that it is completely in the center of the project. If we have more elements, then of course we can move the element forward or to front if needed. If something is behind an element, and so on and so forth. Over here we also have layers, so here we can also do the same as before. So if we have different pictures and we want to make one in front of the other, then of course over here we can also manually adjust the positioning. And over here we also have transparency, so if you need to make your picture transparent, then over here you can move the slider in order to make it more or less transparent. And what we have left, we have copy style and lock position only. So if you want to keep the picture in the same position without worrying that you will move it accidentally, then of course this is how you can do that. And you can click unlock once again and then unlock in order to unlock the picture. And that's pretty much it. This is more or less the basics that you can do in terms of the image. This is how you can edit it. This is how you can add a bunch of different stuff, filters, etc. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.